Hi. So in the last class we discussed about the SCDs. In SCDs we have type 1, type 2 and type 3. In type 1 we are loading current information into the target. In type 2 we are loading historical data. In type 3 partial history. First I am creating a new mapping on type 1 SCD. So here I am taking DPT table, same target, DPT lookup. Okay. Create a new mapping here. Mapping type 1 SCD. Type 1 SCD. So drag and drop source and target first. Take a look upon target. Then drag and drop department number into here. Change the name in_SRC. Same like lookup transmission we created, right? Here also we need to create same process. Go to condition, create a condition. Okay, here I am changing the name. Then directly in the last class in the lookup, when we are creating the lookup, we took the filter transmission filter, we checked whether the lookup department number null or not. That is, we created only for inserts. Here we are inserting new records into the target. At the same time we are updating existing records. So first I am creating an expression here. Okay, drag and drop these source columns into here. Okay, and from here I'm taking this department number and the required columns we can take department number and location. Okay, change this column names in_LKP_. These are the lookup columns, and here in_LKP_location. These are only inputs, and here I am creating two more columns to find out new record and update record. This is output port, output, new record, and output, update record. Both are output. So already we created new record condition in lookup, from lookup in filter transmission. If of is null of lookup department number. The same process to find out new records, always true, false. Okay, and next update record. Update record, we can find out whether department number of source equal to department of lookup and location of source mismatch not equal to with location of lookup. Then only it is a update record. If both locations are matching, so we can consider that is same record. The current record in the source, existing record in the target, each and every column value is same. Okay, if the department numbers are matching and location column is mismatched, means it contains some changes, some updates. So we have to update the updated location information into the target. So like this you can add other columns also. location or DE name. If you have any other column, salary, designation, phone numbers, email IDs, so we can add. Okay, here I'm checking only one column, so bracket is there required. Okay, so we created two conditions here. One is for new record, to identify new record. If of is null of, lookup department number true comma false. One is update record, department number of source equal to lookup department number, and location of source not equal to with lookup location. So then using expression we can create the condition, but we cannot decide whether the condition is true or false. So filter or router, only the two ways to identify record conditions or true or false. So here I am taking one router. From source you have to take these columns. Okay, so here we need to create two conditions. One is for new records, one is for update record. Okay, here the new record condition is new record. No need to check again here whether the new record value is equal to true or false, because always new record values, new record column contain true or false value. Okay, and here ports update record, both are same, because always in new record column, update record column having only two values, that is true or false. If the new record condition value is true, means the record is a new record, it will insert into the record into the target. Update record value is true, means the record already existed but it contains some changes, so we are updating the values in the target. Okay, instead of taking router you can create the filters also, no problem. Okay, so for insert not required any update strategies, directly we can pass the data. So same thing, so we have to copy paste the target. Okay, so from here we need to create update strategy to update the target. That is very important. So from here to target, here in properties dd underscore update, that is the keyword to update the records. Okay, so I'm explaining again the entire thing. First we created source and target, and we drag and drop the source and target into the mapping designer. After that we created one lookup transformation on target table, same like normal lookup. Here also we drag and drop that source department number into lookup transformation. In lookup transformation we created a condition, department number of lookup equal to department number of source. After that we created a expression transformation, in that we took source columns and from lookup we are taking department number and location. So using that lookup department number and location, we are identifying new records and update records. So that's why we created two columns here, O underscore new record and O underscore update record. To identify the new records, the condition is if lookup department number value is null. If lookup return value is null, then we can treat the source record as a new record. For update record, if the source department number match with the lookup department number and source location is not equal to with lookup location, means location contains some changes. So like that we can identify the update records. So after completion of expression, we created a router. From expression, we are drag and drop the department number, the name, location from the source and newly created columns O underscore new record and O underscore update record into the router. In router, we created a two conditions, mean two groups, new record and update record. The new record condition is new record column, because new record column from expression we are taking this column always contain true or false values. So that's why we are not checking anything. If the column value is true, nothing but it's a new record, it will pass the recording to the target. If the update record value is true, nothing but it's the update record, we are updating using update strategy on target table. Okay, so every time we are storing current information here. So I'm creating a new workflow. Okay, source connections, bulk to normal. Directly we can change the connection from here also. Apply attribute to all instance. All targets will change. And this is also required. Scott. Okay, workflow, start workflow. It's running. 7 out of 7 we got, all are new records. So we can check the data from here. Okay, so I'm updating one record and I'll insert one more record into here. 70 is the maximum there. 80 account US location. Okay, I'm updating one more record here. UK I'm changing to USA. Commit. So total 8 records in the table. One is new record and one is updated. Okay, this UK we changed into USA. No, we need to change the location, not the name, because we created a update condition on location, so that's why. Okay, anyway, the both will change. Both will change. Because we are passing all the values into here again. Okay. So mapping. Run this mapping again. So we'll get 2 records total. Here 2 records in the target. One is in update, one is in insert. Just go and here update. We can check the values. This is USA, and this is account US. So like this, every time we are maintaining the current information in type 1 SCD. This is same like dynamic lookup. In dynamic lookup also we are doing the same thing. Always we are loading current information in the target. Okay, so then the next class on type 3 partial history. Thank you.